One of the most iconic songs of all time, Hotel California by the Eagles, might sound complex, but it's actually built on just 7 simple chords. Today, I'll teach you step by step how to play the piano accompaniment with its unforgettable chord progressions. And if you stick around, I'll show you how to play the famous guitar riff on piano, a must-know for a fan of this classic hit. Let's get started. Here's middle C for our reference. We'll be learning the song in its original key, B minor, which has F sharp and C sharp. We'll start with the verse section. Our first chord is B minor with B on the left and B, D, and F sharp played together on the right. Our second chord is F sharp 7 with F sharp on the left and A sharp, C sharp, and E played together on the right. Next chord is A major with A on the left and A, C sharp, and E played together on the right. Then we have E major with E on the left and G sharp, B, and E together on the right. Let's repeat those chords again with a simple rhythm. We'll play the chord, and on the right hand, we'll repeat the chords every quarter note like so. A major and E major. The next chord is G major with G on the left and G, B, and D together on the right. Then we have D major with D on the left and F sharp, A, and D together on the right. Our next chord is E minor with E on the left and G, B, and E together on the right. Our final chord is F sharp 7, which we already know. So the entire chord progression is B minor, F sharp 7, A major, E major, G major, D major, E minor, and F sharp 7. When switching from E major to G major, you can add a passing note like so. E major, passing note F sharp, and G major. Let's repeat the chord progression with this passing note. B minor, F sharp 7, A major, E major, passing note F sharp, G major, D major, E minor, and F sharp 7. This brings us to the chord section, and we already know all the chords needed. Our chords are G major, D major, F sharp 7, B minor, G major, D major, E minor, and F sharp 7. Now, from B minor to G major, we have this walk up on the left hand, which sounds like this. On the left hand, we have B, C sharp, D, E, and F sharp, and then G for our G major chord. The right hand will continue to play our B minor chord every quarter note, so the entire chord progression would sound like this. major, D major, F sharp 7, B minor, our walk up, G major, D major, E minor, and F sharp 7. Now we'll go over the section of the guitar riff played by Joe Walsh. Everything we'll play here is based on the chord progression in the verse section. Our first chord is B minor. On the left hand, we'll play B, F sharp, and B, and we'll play this twice. For the right hand, we'll play our chords separately, one octave higher, with F sharp, D, and B. And we'll repeat this 5 times. When playing hands together, we'll play the left hand whenever we hit our highest note, F sharp. Then we play our left hand whenever we hit our lowest note, B. With hands together, we have this. And a little faster. Next is F sharp 7 chord. On the right hand, we'll play the chords separately, starting from the top to the bottom, like so. And we'll play this twice. And on the third time, our last note, A sharp, will be 1 octave higher. On our left hand, we'll play F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. And this is played twice. With hands together, we have this. So we have B minor, and F sharp 7. We'll use the same concept and repeat it here for our next chord, A major. On the right hand, we play the chords separately 5 times, starting from the top to the bottom. The left hand plays A, E, and A twice. And with hands together, we have this. For E major, the right hand will play slightly different, with G sharp, B, D. Hands together, we have this. So again, we have B minor, F sharp 7, A major, and E major. Using the same pattern, we have G major, D major, and E minor. For F sharp 7 on the right hand, we have C sharp, A sharp, and F sharp, played 4 times instead. Then we have D, C sharp, D, and E, and then we are back to the start of the chord progression with B minor. Let's try playing from F sharp 7 to B minor again in normal speed. When practicing, it's important to start very slow. Once you're able to play without mistakes, gradually increase your speed. For the outro, we play our B minor chord like so. We have B on our left and B and F sharp together on the right, and we'll play this 4 times like so. If you're interested in a tutorial on how to improvise on these beautiful chords, comment below to let me know there's interest for it. See you in my next tutorial.